Zechariah 3 verse 1 to 7 Amplified. Joshua the high priest. Then the guiding angels showed me Joshua the high priest, representing disobedient, sinful Israel, standing before the angel of the Lord, and Satan standing at Joshua's right hand to be his adversary and to accuse him. And the Lord said to Satan, "The Lord rebuke you, Satan. Even the Lord, who now and forever has chosen Jerusalem, rebuke you. Is this not a lock snatched and rescued from the fire?" Now Joshua was clothed with filthy, nauseating, vile garments, and was standing before the angel of the Lord. He spoke to those who stood before him, saying, "Remove the filthy garments from him." And he said to Joshua, "See, I have caused your wickedness to be taken away from you, and I will clothe and beautify you with rich robes of forgiveness." And I, Zachariah, said, "Let them put a clean turban on his head." So they put a clean turban on his head, and clothing him with rich garments, and the angel of the Lord stood by. And the angel of the Lord solemnly and earnestly admonished Joshua, saying, "Thus says the Lord of hosts, if you will walk in my ways, that is, remain faithful and perform my service, then you will also govern my house and have charge of my courts, and I will give you free access to my presence among these who are standing here."